So, yan, meron tayong papasok na pag-uulat mula sa ating field reporter mula dyan sa lalawigan ng Cavite. Magandang gabi sa iyo, Miss Heidi Atis.
Magandang gabi po. Magandang gabi sa lahat. Happy Hearts Day. DILG to LG Youth. Enforce ban on trikes, pedicabs on national highways. In a news article by the Sunstar publication dated February 7, 2024, it is stated that the Department of the Interior and Local Government reminded local government units of an order prohibiting tricycles and pedicabs from plying along national highways. In a statement Tuesday, February 6, 2024, DILG Secretary Ben-Hur Abalos Jr. said that while they recognize that tricycles and pedicabs provide accessible and affordable modes of transportation, the safety of drivers, passengers, and other road users are of utmost importance. Quote and unquote, it is unfortunate that many LGUs have not been strictly implementing such regulations, which often result in traffic congestion and accidents, he added. Abalos made a statement following the accident involving a bus and a tricycle in Labu, Camarines Norte on February 4 that resulted in injury to the tricycle driver. In February 2020, the DILG issued Memorandum Circular 2020-036 prohibiting trikes, pedicabs, and motorized pedicabs from operating on national highways. It also ordered the LGUs to create their respective tricycle task force to update their tricycle route plan, which includes the penal provisions for violators. In 2022, in Metro Manila alone, 2,829 road accidents were recorded involving bikes, e-bikes, and pedicabs, and 2,241 accidents involving tricycles. This is Heidi Victoria Patis reporting for Serbisyo Balita only here at DZSB, ang himpilan ng katotohanan at paglilingkod.
Ayan, okay, maraming salamat Heidi. So Heidi, matanong ko lang. Yes, so dinig mo ako?
Yes po.
Yeah. Matanong ko lang, kamusta ang implementation ng yun nga sinasabi ng DILG na bawal ang tricycle sa highway dyan sa lalawigan ng Cavite, particular na sa bayan ng Indang?
Yes po, especially po dito sa lugar namin, boss, yung mga e-bikes, talagang hindi prohibited talaga siya kasi national highway to, napakabibilis ng mga sasakyan. So siguro, pwede nating payagan ng mga e-bikes, yung mga bikes, sa mga subdivision or konti lang yung mga dumatay yung hindi siya mabibilis.
So medyo stricto ba dyan sa mga lungsod at bayan ng Cavite when it comes to implementing yung guidelines ng DILG regarding sa mga tricycle?
Yes po, napaka-strict talaga kasi marami na pong nangyayaring aksidente dito na talagang parang itinutulak ng mga mabibilis na sasakyan yung mga mababagal eh. Tinutulungan, so nagkakaroon ng accident.
Ayan. So, syempre, nung umpisa yata, parang nahirapan yata yung mga commuters. Pero sa tingin mo ngayon, medyo okay naman na ano na sila, sanay na.
Opo, nagagamit naman nila ito katulad ng sa palengke, pwede yun. Pero nagkukos talaga sila ng traffic. So siguro pwede lang yung mga ganyan sa mga subdivision.
Okay, so maraming salamat Miss Heidi sa iyong ala CNN report. And Happy Hearts Day.
Happy Hearts Day po, boss. God bless everyone.
Ayun, so Ganga, kala nyo, recorded palagi ang ating news eh. Anyway, yan. So maraming salamat dito kay Miss Heidi Atis, yan, ating field reporter, isa sa mga pinakabagong field reporter natin dyan sa lalawigan ng Cavite.